the supermarket chain in the UK. So talk us through the barcode, because I reckon that barcode on the front looks twice as long as all the other barcodes that I've ever seen.
Yes.
So this is one with the farmer information embedded in the barcode.
This is the first one. If you can see, this one is the combination of product ID and the batch ID. That's why it's long.
Okay.
Normally, when you buy the product, you have the product ID, which is pretty short, and a series of number that tell you the batch of it, okay, which cannot be scanned. But this one is combination of those things. So when scanning this, you know that this is chicken yakitori, and you know this is come from which manufacturer.
CP, for example.
CP, Beta Pro, whoever. Expire date, when it's going to be expired, right out of you're reading it. Because the food product always have to have expire date. Okay, so you know the batch number, everything. Behind it, at the back of the package, you can see a series of barcode.
More barcodes.
Okay, it doesn't mean that one pack can come from one farmer. It can be a mix. See it? Chicken, the European only eat the breast part.
Yes.
Japanese like the leg and the wing. So the same chicken is separate into two countries, and you have to mix it. In this case, it's come from 3 farmers, and they scan on it. They know that the detail of the 3 farmers is all traceable back to the farm. Thailand is becoming chicken of the world, kitchen of the world, and we provide a high-end standard. Like this chicken the price is higher than our competitor, around 20% that we sold right now around the world. The customer willing to pay more for Thai product, because we can provide them all information about the food that they eat, exactly what we do, how we producing it. So that's the reason why they're willing to pay more.
So it is a true source of competitive advantage then.
Correct, and this is it's competitive at the country level too.
We're going to take a short break now, and then we're going to come back and talk to Kun Pom about the role of the National Bureau of Agricultural Commodity and Food Standards, and also find out, are these barcode scanners already in place in some of the stores here in Thailand? Stay tuned, we'll be back in a few moments.
กินของมันคอเลสเตอรอลสูงเค็มโรคไตจะถามหาโรคดกไม่ดีต่อสุขภาพการเงินนะครับ
ชีวิตจริงคงไม่มีใครใส่ใจสุขภาพคุณแบบนี้ที่กรุงไทยแอคซ่าเรามอบบริการคาราวานตรวจสุขภาพและวางแผนทางการเงินฟรีทุกทิศทั่วไทยมั่นใจทั่วหน้ากรุงไทยแอคซ่านิยามใหม่ของการประกันชีวิต
Amazing Thailand Grand Sale 2010 15 มิถุนายน ถึง 15 สิงหาคมนี้พบส่วนลดกระหน่ำ 5-80% จากห้างสรรพสินค้าชั้นนำสายการบินโรงแรมที่พักบริษัทนำเที่ยวออนไลน์ร้านค้าปลอดภาษีรวมทั้งสนามกอล์ฟสปาร้านจิวเวลรี่โรงพยาบาลเอกชนและห้างสรรพสินค้าชั้นนำทั่วประเทศ Amazing Thailand Grand Sale 2010 ช็อปกินเที่ยวให้สะใจสบายกระเป๋าโดยการท่องเที่ยวแห่งประเทศไทยโทร 1672
Just wanna know how could love come to me? It came by chance or came with some reasons. I can't feel love the first time that I saw you. You changed my life, you're always my sunshine. I love you so, and I just want you to know.
สะอาดใสมั่นใจได้น้ำดื่มช้าง
ต้นเขาเป็นผู้ใหญ่ทั้งนอกบ้านและในบ้านจริงจังกับชีวิตมากเขารักสัตว์มาตั้งแต่เด็กๆแล้วค่ะเขาอยากเห็นทุกชีวิตอยู่ด้วยกันอย่างมีความสุขลูก3 คนต่างคนต่างสไตล์แต่ก็ภูมิใจที่พวกเขามีหัวใจเป็นไทยเสมอ
คนไทยหัวใจเดียวกันช้างคลาสสิก
Thanks for joining us on Morning Talk. If you're just tuning in today, we're talking about barcodes and the benefits to both businesses and consumers with the new technology that Thailand is rolling out in a pilot project that will give you unrivaled information on where products came from. So we've been talking to Kun Teta from FXA, and we also have Kun Pon Prom from the National Bureau of Agricultural, Commodity and Food Standards, which is actually a government department. And I think a lot of people always wonder, what does this department do? So can you give us a brief summary of what it is that your department does?
The major role of our department is actually standard setting. And even though at the moment the standard is still voluntary, but we want everybody to comply with the standards. When I said everybody, I mean everybody in the supply chain.
So all the way from the farmer through to the packager to the brand.
That's the concept of from farm to table now. And when we talk about this concept, we are talking about traceability. We would like to improve the ability to trace back where the food came from and what's the distribution of the product. So in case that there is something happen, we can trace where the things went wrong, and then we can apply appropriate